Hello. So we are back with this small talk again. In this video, we are going to talk about how to mute students and students chat during a class, if that's what you want. But definitely at the end of this video, I'll also discuss why you should not do that. Of course, these are choices we make. So first thing that I'll do is I'll draw your attention to discuss those two quick points that I just mentioned. So what I'll do is I'll quickly take you to the teams that I have got here. So these are the teams that I'm part of, and one among them happens to be a classroom. So when you create teams, you've got various options. With a classroom option, you get certain additional management rights as a professor. So you'll have owners who are like teachers or co-teachers, and then there are the members of the students. So the moment you click on these, you'll find these are the student enlisted here, and you have got mute option. So if you mute it, the students cannot speak or cannot create disturbance in the class. If that is what you think, and not my view. But anyway, I generally keep it unmuted, and as I've already said, I'll discuss further. Next, let us look at the setting, right? Setting option, the moment I click on it, there are several options available to you. One among them is member permission. Now look at here again, there are two boxes which has been kept ticked on or checked on. This is what allows the members to chat or edit chat. If you keep them off, they cannot chat, and that is what you want. Earlier on, somebody may argue that if you do not allow them to speak during the class, or if you do not allow them to chat, how would they discuss, or how would they participate in the class discussion? That's not that difficult, because with time Microsoft is also updating itself. So look at here at this part, there is this raise hand. I hope it gets captured there. So this raise hand option allows, even if you have kept everything silent, they can raise hand and participate in the class discussion. However, what actually happens is when you keep on this mute, rather leave the students unmuted and you allow the chat boxes to go on, it's a kind of a proxy or a dummy for the faculty member to gauge the mood of the class, whether you want to do it along with the class or maybe post the class. But this definitely helps you to keep a tab of the class, how it is going, how are you being received well. But more about that maybe in a different class. So with that, different screencast rather, not a class. Once a teacher, I guess, always a teacher. Okay, and I hope you like these two options. Please keep sending us your queries or anything that you'd like us to tell you about. Happy learning and goodbye.